Welcome to the video on live demonstration of arithmetic operators. In last video we have seen introduction to all the operators, expressions, variables, literals, constants, operator priority and operator precedence. In this video we will have a practical demonstration of all these 7 arithmetic operators. So let us start. So we know that arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations with numeric values. These are the 7 different operators, and let us start with the very first one. Say for example I want to add 2 numbers. So what I can do, I can directly take 2 numbers, 7 plus say for example 9. So sum is 16. So here I have taken the 2 numbers directly, right? But what I can do, I can take the values, integer values in a particular variable. Say for example I want to perform x plus y, right? So first of all let me store x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9, and then let me do x plus y, right? Then the answer is 16. We can see same answer, but here we are assigning values 7 and 9 in variables x and y, and then we are performing operations, but the value is not stored in any variable. So what I can do, I can have a z is equal to x plus y. Result of x plus y is stored in z, and now in next cell I can print over here, print value of z is equal to this z, like this. Fine. So let us print. So value of z is 16. So this is how we can perform addition operation. Now let us look at the subtraction operation. So similar to the addition operation, let us perform subtraction operation. So simply I can have 6 minus 4. So the result is 2. Say for example here I want to assign x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4, and then I want to perform x minus y, right? So the result is printed. Now as this is a Jupyter notebook, we can directly print the result of x minus y. But if it's if we are having a ID, and if we print like this, if we write this 3 statement, result will not be printed. So for printing this result we need to use print function. So we can write like this directly, print x y, right? And we can print the result, that is 6 minus 4 is 2. Or I can assign this value to some variable. Say for example here, similar to the previous case, I am assigning say z1 is equal to x minus y, and then I can print z1 over here like this. Fine. Now let us look at IDLE editor, and let us create a new file, and let us save this file to a location here, programs folder, right? OP demo, right? Subtract OP name is given, and let us copy this all the statements directly from here, right? So let us copy that operation, and let me just demonstrate that if we print like this, then result will not be printed directly. Now let me run this from here, run. So we can see that there is no output, right? So what we need to do, we need to say for example either we can print the result like this within print statement, and let me run it. So answer is 2. Or what I can do, I can take some variable like z is equal to this, and then I can print z over here. Just see, again it is a 2, right? But now I want to have some useful message over here, that subtraction of minus y is equal to z. So here now let us see, subtraction of x minus y is equal to this one. So now let us perform this operation, multiplication x into y. So say for example I want to perform 4 into 5, so directly I can perform. Now I can assign this value is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, and then x into y, directly perform multiplication. So we are able to perform this, but this result is not stored. So what I can do, I can like this, and here have a result is equal to z. Yes, see, result is equal to 20. So this is how we can perform. Combine all the above three operations. That is a addition, subtraction and multiplication. We can combine this, right? Okay, let us start with phrase. So x is equal to say 6, y is equal to say 4, d is equal to 8, and now let us store result in z is equal to x plus y into d. Fine. So here x is 6, y is 4, right, and d is 8. So this addition and multiplication. So first multiplication should be done, and then let us have this print statement directly over here, and let us see the result. So first y into d, that is this one, 8 into 4, so that is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. Now suppose I want to subtract minus 10, so the result will be 28. Just see, so 28. So this is how we can perform addition, multiplication and subtraction together. Now let us jump to the division operation. Already you know that 10 divided by 2 is nothing but 5. Let us assign this value, say x is equal to 10, y is equal to 2, and now let us assign z is equal to x divided by y, and let us print value of z is equal to z, and this is how we can perform the division. Now if let us have this one directly, and over here let us take this y is equal to 3, and now let us see. So it is 3.33. so decimal point is also shown, but if you want to truncate this particular decimal points, right, then we should use floor division. So let us take this same values again directly over here, and just what we have to do, we have to just change the operator, that is double forward slash, and we can see that the value of z is 3. So it is an integer result. Now let us check the type of this particular z. Type of z is equal to integer. So result is integer. So the difference between the division and the floor division is that the division returns the floating point value and the variable type will be float. Say for example over here, if we perform this, and let us check type over here, type of z over here. Fine. So over here type of z is float, but if we perform this floor division, then the result is of type integer, means the decimal points are truncated. So the modular operator, abbreviated as mod or percent sign in many programming languages, is a remainder when dividing. So whatever, say for example 5 mod 3, so remainder is 2, which means 2 is the remainder when you divide 5 by 3. Let us look at over here. So modulo operator is divide this percentage sign and 3, and we can see the result is 7. So now let us store these values into the variables. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and now let us have z is equal to x mod y, and let us print answer z is equal to this one. So we can see floor division. If we change this value, say for example if I have this one, and if I perform, then it is 1. Next is exponentiation operator. So x star star y, the meaning is x raised to y. So double star is used in Python to perform this operation, x raised to y. Now let us say for example if I do 2 star star 3, means it is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. Now let us have a separate cell, and let us assign value x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and let us perform z is equal to x raised to y, that is x raised to y, and let us print the same result. Answer z is over here. So we can see answer z is 8. Now let us have this statement, write a program to evaluate following expression, that is z is equal to 5x12 plus 12y plus 13. Means on left hand side we have two variables x and y, and others are constant value, and here x raised to 2 means this is exponent operation, exponent, and this is a multiplication. So how we can evaluate this statement? Very first thing, how can we convert into Python like statement? This is a mathematical statement. So very first thing is we should be able to convert this statement into a Python statement. Fine. So it will look like z is equal to 5, then 5x square. It can be written at like 5 and x square are multiplied, so multiplication operation, then ax, and then there is a exponent operator, and then it is multiplied by 2. Then there is a plus operator, then there is a 12y means 12 into y, it is a multiplication, then plus, then 13. So this is how we can write this mathematical equation in Python like this. To evaluate this statement, we need x value of x and y. So let us assign x is equal to 3, y is equal to, say for example 2, and then we want z, so z can be directly written like this, and then we can have this particular let us directly take this print statement and let us see what is the result. So answer of z is, now next program is write a program to find area of a circle. So area is equal to pi r square. So over here area is one variable, pi is a constant, and r is a variable. So very first thing is how we can convert this particular statement into a Python statement. So it can be converted like this: area is equal to, so take pi, which is a constant, then multiplication, then r, then there is a power, so exponent operator, that is a 2. So let us define the value of this pi, that is 3.14, and let us take some value of r. Let us take r is equal to 3. Fine. And now let us compute the area, that is area is equal to, let us put this equation directly over here. Fine. And now let us print the result. So print here, let us put some message, area is equal to area. Fine. Now let us run it. So where is the error? Invalid syntax, because here we have written equal to sign twice. So now let us again, so the area of this is 28.6. Here we end the practical demo of the arithmetic operators. So in next video we will see the practical demonstration of assignment operator. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.